Welcome back. In our last video, we talked about what cryptocurrency is and why Bitcoin was created. Today, we're diving deeper into the technology that makes Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies possible, blockchain. We'll also explore what mining is and how the Bitcoin network stays secure. Before we invest in something, we want to understand in what we invest. Let's get started. So, what exactly is blockchain? Imagine a chain of blocks, and each block contains information. In the case of Bitcoin, these blocks store transaction data. But what makes blockchain so special? Blockchain is like a digital ledger that records every single Bitcoin transaction that has ever happened. But unlike a traditional ledger that might be stored in a bank, this ledger is shared across thousands of computers worldwide, known as nodes. Each time a new transaction happens, it's grouped together with other transactions into a block. This block is then added to the chain of previous blocks, creating a permanent and unchangeable record. This is what makes blockchain incredibly secure and transparent. Everyone in the network has access to the same information. Now, let's break down how blockchain works. When a transaction is made, like someone sending Bitcoin to another person, it needs to be verified. But instead of a bank or payment processor verifying the transaction, it's the network of nodes that does the job. These nodes work together to check that the transaction is valid, things like making sure the sender has enough Bitcoin to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is verified, it's grouped into a new block. This block is then added to the blockchain, and the transaction is complete. You might have heard the term mining when it comes to Bitcoin. But we're not talking about digging for gold. So, what is Bitcoin mining? Mining is the process by which new Bitcoin is created and transactions are verified. Here's how it works. When a new block of transactions is ready to be added to the blockchain, miners compete to solve a complex mathematical problem. The first miner to solve it gets to add the block to the blockchain and is rewarded with new Bitcoin. This process is crucial for keeping the network secure and decentralized. But how does Bitcoin stay secure? It's all about decentralization and consensus. Since the blockchain is distributed across thousands of nodes, it's incredibly difficult to tamper with. If someone tries to change even a single block, all the nodes in the network would compare their versions of the blockchain. If they detect an inconsistency, they reject the tampered block. This makes the blockchain almost impossible to hack. And remember, miners are constantly working to add new blocks to the chain, which adds even more security. The network is continually verifying itself, making sure that every transaction is valid and that the blockchain remains intact. Blockchain isn't just the backbone of Bitcoin, it's a revolutionary technology that has the potential to change many industries. From finance to supply chains to voting systems, blockchain's ability to create transparent and secure records could transform the way we handle data. And that's just the beginning. Now that you understand the basics of blockchain and Bitcoin, we're ready to dive deeper. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies, market cycles, and smart investing strategies that can help you navigate this ever-evolving landscape. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, we've got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. Thanks for watching.